So guys, recently the CX.io has officially been able to add the Ethereum Classic to their application. Now you can buy and trade ETC right from the CX.io application, and you can basically start doing that just by downloading the CX.io application on your mobile phone. Now once you're able to download the CX.io application on your mobile phone, you're going to be able to have access to automatically make use of that application to buy and sell ETC. All right, now for ETC, that is called Ethereum Classic. All right, now this is how it basically the logo looks like, and I'm going to share with you guys how to basically get your hands on this using your CX.io application. First things first, go to your app store, and over to your app store right here, you can basically type in the name of the app you want to download. So for instance, we're going to be downloading the CX.io. All right, so if you have your CX.io application on your phone, make sure to check for update. All right, it is very important. Now once you have an update, it's going to be showing that you need to update your app, and since we don't actually need to update our app, now what we're going to be doing is to come over to the buy session, which is provided right here, and over to where you're basically seeing the Bitcoin logo. Click on it, and then you can basically type in the ETC. All right, so once you type in ETC, you're going to notice right here is going to pop up. All right, so this is Ethereum Classic. Now one ETC currently is selling for over $16.4, which you can basically get your hands on this. All right, now for those of you that basically want to get your hands on the ETC, you can get your hands on it right from the CX.io application, and I've shown you guys in my previous video how to basically deposit funds into your account. You can either add funds into your account through basically type in any cryptocurrency of your choice right here. If it is TRX, you can basically click on it, and then you get the wallet address into your space right here. Just copy out the wallet address and send from any other exchange that basically allows P2P. All right, now aside that, you can also basically convert cryptocurrencies you basically have on your own account currently, or you can click on the buy session, which you can actually going to be able to use the Apple Pay, or you can basically use the debit card or the credit card to basically make your purchase. Now this is something that is very available for you, and I don't know if this is also available on the margin trade. All right, so far there has been a whole lot of information coming in from the margin trade, and as of my last video, I showed you guys how to basically trade the Italian route on the margin trade. All right, so let's say if you want to check out ETC, let's see, and you can basically see ETC is currently not available on the margin trade. Now margin trade is just basically like futures trade, but on the margin trade on the CX.io, you are allowed to use about 10x leverage. All right, so you have to manage your leverage, and you have to learn how to basically use what they call risk management to be able to trade on the CX.io. Now for those of you that basically want to make use of this application, it will really help you. It's really going to help you to generate a whole lot of money. Give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. All right, peace out.